Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Copycat Monday. Why pay a lot for a little when you can spend a little and make a lot? Today we're going to make Frito's hot bean dip. In a food processor, you're going to add 1 can of rinsed and drained pinto beans, 4 pickled jalapeno slices, a tablespoon of the juice from the pickled jalapeno slices, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne powder. And now we're going to blend until smooth. Scrape down the edges as needed. And now it's time to dig in. It's a lot better than store-bought. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.